Transpiration is the process of water moving into the roots from the soil through osmosis and then moving up the xylem through capillary action as water is evaporated and exits the plant through the stomata as water vapor. The xylem is then complex tissue that carries water up the plant from the roots. Osmosis is the movement of water from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, as seen in this GIF. Since the concentration of water is higher in the soil than in the roots, the water moves into the roots. Capillary action is the movement of water through or along another material against an opposing force like gravity. Water is sticky because of adhesion and cohesion. Adhesion refers to the water molecules being attracted and sticking to other substances, and cohesion refers to the water molecules sticking close together. Capillary action occurs when the adhesion to walls is stronger than the cohesion to other water molecules, and for this to occur, the walls must be very close to each other. This is why capillary action occurs in the xylem of plants, as the xylem is very thin and its walls are very close. This video will demonstrate capillary action. The food coloring is coming up because the walls are close enough that the water molecule's adhesion to the walls is stronger than the cohesion to other water molecules. Another experiment we did to demonstrate capillary action was the celery experiment. For this, we split the bottom of the celery in two and put each half in a beaker full of food coloring. Before we poured the food coloring in, this is how the celery looked like. Then, after pouring the food coloring in the beakers and leaving the celery overnight, this is how it looked like. The celery looks like this because capillary action occurred and the food coloring climbed up the xylem, staining it in the process. These are stomata, normally found on the underside of leaves in the epidermis. As water is evaporated from the leaf during transpiration, it exits through the stomata as water vapor. On each side of the stomata are guide cells which open and close the stomata to prevent water loss through transpiration.